Yeah, go. G'day, Steve here from Speed Science. A quick technical one today. This is one I've actually stolen off the internet, but a lot of guys are buying alloy tubing, which comes in a fixed length of 300, so straight 45s, 90s and U-bends, which is great. But of course, every time you've got to cut them, you end up having to put a rolled edge on them. That rolled edge is actually quite difficult to do, but thanks to the internet, we've now got a bit of advice for you. These are Milwaukee crimping and cutting pliers, about $60 for these from the tool shed, and that's a crimp there that we've put on. It's pretty straightforward to do. The option you've got is that little tip there is what gives us our crimp. You can actually just buff that down with a light sander, and that will give you a little bit less of a lip there. But either way, it works quite well. That's something we've done there. Another thing we've discovered, if you right up on your pliers, makes a big difference, because if you come around here, it's quite easy to pick them up and go the wrong way, in which case you've made quite a mess quite quickly. That's an indication of one. So if we just go here, just a little bit of light pressure, and you can just go in little bites, and then you can go back across it, or you can actually just go hardcore in some little big heavy ones, and it just gives you a really nice raised lip that's going to hold your intercooler piping on, and you'll be able to run plenty of boost without blowing it off. But certainly without a lip, you'd be lucky to run 5 pounds before it popped off. So I can't confess to have created that, but I can give you some advice, and happy motoring.